In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage social media in Zoho Social, add accounts, schedule, monitor, and report. First, let's get your workspace ready by adding your social channels or business accounts. Open Zoho Social and connect the profiles you plan to manage. You'll be prompted to authorize each network, so make sure you're signed in and that you have the right permissions for those pages or profiles. Take a moment to name or organize the accounts clearly. That way, when you switch between profiles later, you'll always know exactly where you're posting. Repeat this process for every channel you want to manage from one place. Once your accounts are connected, you can start creating content. Click the New Post button to compose your message. Choose which profiles you want to publish to, then add your caption, links, and any images or videos. If your post needs small tweaks for different networks, adjust the copy or media per channel so it looks its best everywhere. Before you publish, preview how it will appear. If you're not posting immediately, set a date and time to schedule it. This is a great way to plan campaigns in advance and keep a consistent presence without constant manual posting. Next, set up monitoring so you can stay on top of conversations that matter. In the Monitor section, create custom listening columns and define what each should track. Add keywords for your brand, product names, or industry terms. Include campaign or community hashtags, and don't forget mentions of your handle or business name. You can fine-tune columns by network and focus on the regions or topics most relevant to you. These streams update in real time, helping you spot opportunities, feedback, and trends as they happen. To understand what's working, head to Reports. Here you can analyze post-level metrics as well as overall network performance. Look at reach, clicks, comments, and shares to identify your top content. Track follower growth and engagement patterns over time to see which topics, formats, or days deliver results. Use these insights to refine your content plan and scheduling rhythm so each new post builds on what's proven to work. Finally, if you need deeper analysis or shareable summaries, build dashboards using Zoho Analytics. Pull in data for audience, engagement, and campaign outcomes, then assemble charts and tables that answer your team's key questions. Create a clear view of trends, compare channels, and track progress toward your goals, all in one customizable dashboard. With your accounts added, content scheduled, monitoring in place, and reporting dialed in, Zoho Social becomes your control center for social media success.